How big is the universe? It's a question that has haunted astronomers, philosophers, and dreamers for centuries. From ancient stargazers mapping constellations to modern scientists peering through powerful telescopes, humanity has always been captivated by the vastness of space. This fundamental curiosity about our cosmic surroundings speaks to our innate desire to understand our place in the grand scheme of things. When we consider the concept of scale, we quickly realize that our everyday measurements fall woefully short. The universe, as defined by science lock, encompasses everything: space, time, matter, and energy. It's a totality so immense that it challenges our ability to comprehend it. Imagine standing before an ancient star map, tracing the paths of celestial bodies with your finger, then fast-forwarding to today's deep space imagery captured by advanced telescopes. The leap in our understanding is staggering, yet we've only scratched the surface, measuring the unmeasurable. To truly grasp the size of the universe, we need to think beyond familiar units like kilometers or miles. Astronomers measure cosmic distances in light years, the distance light travels in 1 year. According to Ninaplanets, a single light year equals approximately 9 trillion kilometers. To put that into perspective, our observable universe is estimated to be about 93 billion light years across. These numbers are so large they almost lose meaning, yet they're crucial to our understanding of cosmic scale. The observable universe. The observable universe represents everything we can theoretically see from Earth, given the limitations of light speed and the age of the universe. It's like a cosmic horizon, with us at the center of a vast, expanding sphere. The edge of this observable realm is marked by the cosmic microwave background, the afterglow of the Big Bang itself. The Planck mission, a space observatory, has helped us map this ancient light, providing unprecedented insights into the early universe. But what we can see is just the beginning. Space.com reports that the radius of the observable universe is about 13.8 billion light years. This might seem like the ultimate limit, but it's merely the edge of our cosmic neighborhood. Beyond this horizon lies the unobservable universe, a realm we can only theorize about, beyond the horizon. Just because we can't see it doesn't mean it's not there. Cosmologists have proposed various models for what might exist beyond our visible bubble. Some theories suggest that the entire universe could be as much as 150 times larger than the part we can observe. This idea challenges our imagination and pushes the boundaries of our scientific understanding. Visualize expanding spheres of influence, each representing a leap in scale beyond our observable limits. These models, while speculative, are based on our best mathematical understanding of cosmic inflation and the nature of space-time. The expanding universe, perhaps even more mind-bending, is the concept that the universe isn't just incredibly vast, it's also expanding. This expansion isn't just objects moving away from each other in space, it's space itself stretching. According to Science Lock, this process allows the universe to expand faster than the speed of light, a phenomenon that seems to defy our understanding of physics but is perfectly consistent with Einstein's theories. This expansion is driven by a mysterious force called dark energy, which appears to permeate all of space. As the universe expands, galaxies move farther apart, carried along by the stretching fabric of spacetime. This ongoing expansion has profound implications for the future of the universe and our ability to observe distant objects, the shape of everything. But the size of the universe isn't just about its extent, it's also about its shape. Is the universe flat, curved, or infinite? This question isn't just academic. As Space.com explains, the shape of the universe affects both its size and its ultimate destiny. Einstein's equations of general relativity allow for various geometries of spacetime, each with its own cosmic implications. Imagine the universe as a vast sheet. If it's flat, it could extend infinitely in all directions. If it's positively curved, like the surface of a sphere, it might loop back on itself, potentially finite but unbounded. A negatively curved universe would have a saddle-like shape with complex implications for its overall structure. Current observations suggest that the universe is remarkably close to flat, but the ultimate answer remains one of the great mysteries of cosmology: what it means for us. The shape and size of the universe aren't just abstract concepts, they have profound implications for our understanding of reality. In a curved universe, light might travel in great circles, potentially allowing us to see multiple images of the same distant objects. In an infinite universe, given enough time and space, every possible configuration of matter might exist somewhere. These ideas stretch not just our scientific understanding, but our philosophical and existential frameworks as well. As we contemplate these vast scales and mind-bending concepts, we're inevitably led to reflect on our place within this cosmic tapestry. Carl Sagan's famous pale blue dot perspective reminds us of the fragility and preciousness of our home in the context of the universe's immensity. In a cosmos so vast, what does it mean to be human? This question brings us full circle to our initial curiosity about the size of the universe. Our quest to measure and understand the cosmos is, in many ways, a quest to understand ourselves. Each new discovery, each expansion of our cosmic horizon, reframes our existence in a grander context. Summary: as we peer into the depths of space with ever more powerful instruments, we're not just measuring distances or counting galaxies. We're exploring the nature of reality itself, pushing the boundaries of what it means to know and to be. The universe, in all its unfathomable vastness, serves as both a challenge to our intellect and a mirror to our innermost questions about existence. In the end, the size of the universe may be beyond our ability to truly comprehend. But in our ongoing efforts to measure and understand it, we discover new facets of our own potential. We are, after all, the universe becoming aware of itself, tiny fragments of cosmic matter and energy organized in just the right way to ponder our own existence and the nature of everything around us. So, how big is the universe? The answer, like the cosmos itself, continues to expand with our understanding. It's a question that will likely inspire and challenge us for generations to come, driving us to explore, to learn, and to dream on scales both infinitesimal and infinite.